A local man wants to open a cannabis shop in Corning, but delays from local and state government keep pushing him back. Our 18 News reporter Bruce Juneau spoke with the man today and shares the story of repeated delays and unexpected issues.
Even though cannabis sales are legal now, it's taking months to get something approved. Josh Canfield knows all about that. He wants to open an officially licensed cannabis shop.
November 2022, we get our license for the first time. We're one of the first 36 entire state to receive a license. So first they told us you're going to have a cookie cutter type operation. We're going to find establishments for you. You have a turnkey, you'll be able to go in and start up. Well, the state kind of fumbled that. Wasn't able to fulfill their side of it, so they said, all right, well, now you guys go out and find your own property.
The problems weren't only with state regulators.
February, we get this location. Our first planning board meeting is that following month in March. So we go in front of the board, we kind of have a basic description of our site plan, business plans, all that. The day before we go back, I believe it's May 2nd, was when we go back for our planning board meeting. May 1st, City Council passed a new zoning law. That law basically targeted our area, saying we can no longer be here. They extended different barrier buffer zones for their cannabis zoning law.
Nothing is confirmed, according to Canfield, and it's taking a lot longer than he thought it might.
A lot of it falls on the state. Don't get me wrong, the rollout program we had with the cannabis program here in New York State hasn't been the best in terms of efficiency and keeping things going at a steady pace. Like I said, there's been lawsuits that come down. There's been a lot of holes that were left open for people to exploit in terms of legal issues.
To find out more about the New York State law and regulations, it can be found on our website. That's mytwintiers.com. In Corning, Bruce Juneau, 18 News.